everybody, this is Hui Ling Science Competition. Today we have two new participants competing to see who can make the best bridge. Okay, now the first competitor, Yingqi. Yingqi, do you think you can win?
Of course, I have confidence in myself.
Okay, the next contestant, Kai. Kai, do you think you can win?
Yes, and I'm sure that I'll beat Yingqi.
Wow, someone is really confident. Okay, good. So before they start, let me explain the rules and instructions. Their goal is to build a bridge that can withstand the heaviest loads. The bridge will then be placed in the middle of two textbooks, which is 4.5 inches apart. However, they can only use paper to make the bridge, as you can see here. And after they are done, I will put coins on their bridge to test how many coins they can hold before the bridge touches the table. Is there any other question you want to clarify before we start?
No.
Okay. So the time limit is 1 minute. On my count, 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, let me go to Yingqi first. Yingqi, what are you doing?
I'm folding the paper into 3 equal parts so that I'm going to use glue to to make it more sticky.
Oh, okay. Good luck with that. The participants. Only 40 seconds left. Okay. What are you doing, Kai? I see you are folding the.
Yeah, I'm folding the paper at its side so to make it sturdier when it is on the between the two textbooks.
Oh, okay. You can see Yingqi applying the glue. Okay. Only 20 seconds left on the clock. You can see everybody's hurrying right now. What are you doing, Yingqi?
I'm trying to let it dry faster.
Okay. What about Kai? You are making it.
Yeah, it's making it more perfect so that it can, you know.
Oh, okay. Oh, and the time is up. Stop, everybody stop. Okay. So let me test the coins now. I'll put one 20-cent coin on her bridge. Oh, I see the bridge haven't touched the table yet. 2. Oh, it's almost touching the table. Okay. What about 3? Oh, and it touched the table. Okay, that's too bad. Now let's go to Kai's bridge. I'll test it with the 20-cent coin. The first 20-cent coin. 1. Oh, although it moved but it haven't touched the table. Okay, 2. Still quite steady. 3. You beat Yingqi already, right? Okay, so let me try put one more. Oh, the bridge is still haven't collapsed yet. Another one. Oh, it's still so steady. But you can see it's falling a little bit now. 7. Oh, and it really touched the table, but 7 is quite good. Kaya, you have won. Are you happy with your result?
Yes, so happy.
Oh, Yingqi, it's okay. You tried your best, but why do you think you lost to Kai?
I don't know, but I would like to learn from Kai.
Kai, can you give us a clear explanation on the bridge?
Yeah, sure. Structures such as bridges are anything that supports its own weight in addition to the weight of other objects against gravity. There are two kinds of forces, compression and tension. Compression is the force that causes the pushing down and tightening of the structure, while tension is the opposite of compression and it is the pull that causes the stretching of the structures. Triangular shaped edges, which I have created, can support both compression and tension, as compression is the pushing down of the sides of the triangle and the base is pulled up equally in two directions, causing tension.
Oh, I've learned so much today. Thank you so much.
You're always welcome.
Wow, that's a very clear explanation. That's the scientific fact behind why Kai was able to make the bridge more steady than Yingqi's bridge. Okay, this has been Hui Ling Science Experiment. Signing off now. See you next time. Bye.